Alright, this is me pushing on the gas pedal a little bit now. Then I let off. Now it's fine. So there's a little bit of an intermittent kind of bop, bop, bop. So if anybody knows what's going on here, you see it's all intermittent. I'm thinking it's a crank sensor cam. I'm not sure how it reads RPM. I'm gonna have to look into this, but I thought I'd just take a video and post it for any of my 24 valve Cummins guys that have run into this issue. Thinking that the tach's messing with the throttle position sensor. I'm not sure. Anyways, just having some issues here on the road, so thought I'd upload this and see if anybody has had this happen before. Truck seems to run fine otherwise, so